Hey guys, welcome back to Tracy's Local Learnings. So, what am I learning from this? So, do you see down there on my foot? That's where my foot got caught in the stairs, and then that's how I slid down. Now, I am trying. Let me back up for a minute. Okay, so there's a plant that I talk about a lot on my channel for different reasons. Um, and this is one of them. So my knee, I'm pretty sure my MCL and my ACL are torn. There's bulging in the appropriate places for that. Sorry about my hairy leg, you guys. I just, you know, I haven't gotten around to it. Anyways, I have comfrey in here, and I'm using this as it was intended. So there's not a lot of information on comfrey, and the information that there is limited. However, this plant has been known to be called bone knit. So it actually generates new DNA growth. So it allows your body to repair itself. So because these are tenons and not a break, even if it was a break, I would use the same thing. So underneath here, I have the comfrey. You guys can see, wait, I'll turn on this light. Okay, I have the comfrey under there with castor oil, and then I have it wrapped. And now what I'm doing is I made a tea out of the comfrey. What else did I put in there? Cayenne pepper. And I think that's it. So I am going to do this recovery 100% with comfrey. I'm not going to use anything else. The cayenne pepper I put in there is a lot for blood circulation and just a little bit of warmth to keep everything nice and warm. This is one of the most painful things I've ever experienced. So my foot got caught. My other foot came out. I landed here on my knee, and my leg was bent backwards in the stairs as I was going down. So it was a horrific fall. But you know what? I'm tough. I got this. Everybody's like 6 to 12 weeks, 8 to 10 weeks. So I've heard a lot of different things and a lot of talk about surgery. So I'm going to do it with the comfrey. And so it happened last night at 11 p.m. I got up this morning, and by about, I guess, 10:30 a.m., I had gotten some fresh comfrey and made that poultice and put it on my leg. And within, I don't know, 2 hours, I was able to walk on my leg. Now, I'm not going crazy because I want it to heal properly, but at the same time, I don't want to make a lot of changes in my reality for this, right? Because I don't want it to stay. So this too shall pass. As for down there, it's sore and it looks like it's a little bit infected. The only thing I've put on that is, so far, is castor oil. That's all I've put on that. So I don't know. We'll see where that goes. My ankle's starting to feel better, and I can move my toes again, which is wonderful. I'm really super excited about that. So it is almost been, let's see, what time is it? Oh, it's early. Well, tonight it'll have been 24 hours. When I got up this morning, I was feeling kind of overwhelmed and devastated, thinking, oh no, I'm going to be out for a while on this. And like I said, within a couple hours of putting the comfrey on there, my mobility is coming back, the pain is decreasing. So I'm going to go slow and steady, and I'm going to put comfrey to the test so I have my own testimony for the plant. I really like it when I've used the plants that I talk about, and I try to primarily have that where if I've not used the plant, I usually don't talk about it. Now I know I'm behind on a lot of my videos that I have been saying I'm going to bring you guys, and now, if you can imagine, my whole system is out of whack between my canning projects and moving my apothecary and the garden needing its final harvest. And, it's like, so the universe has told me to sit my butt down, and we are going to see why and what's going to come of it. I'm still going to be out there supporting all you channels as best I can. Now, as you can imagine, with a knee injury, it's really hard to sleep, and I sleep on my back, which I can't do now. I have to sleep on my side um, because my tailbone's still pretty sore as well. Um, but we're gonna see how long I can get this to heal up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for coming by and watching. And I want to thank Lashana Success Systems. In her live stream tonight, she asked for prayer for my healing from everyone. And I really am grateful for that. And I received those prayers from all of you. Thank you so much. So I will bring you back. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how it is in the morning. Maybe I'll do another video. Again, have a nice evening. Bye-bye.